Good morning, everyone. Class 8. Okay, so I am sharing my screen. Kindly check it if the screen is visible to you or not. Kindly check it. This screen is visible to you or not. Kindly check it and leave a message in your chat box if the screen is visible to you or not. This screen is visible to you or not? Yes, sir. That's good. Okay, so today I will discuss about more on HTML, list and tables, chapter number 6, page number 93. Clear? So today I will discuss about list and tables, more on HTML. So first one, what is list and what is table? I will discuss about list and tables today. Clear? So chapter number 6, page number 93. First one, what is list? List help us to organize the data on the web page in an ordered and sequential manner. So with the help of list, we can easily organize the data on the web page in an ordered and sequential manner. So we can easily, with the help of list, what we can do with the help of list, we can easily organize the data on the web page in an ordered and sequential manner. Clear? So what are the types of list? There are three types of list are there. First one is ordered list, second one is unordered list, and the last one is definition list. Clear? So first one, so first one is ordered list. So first one, topic number one is ordered list. Ordered list basically an container tag. That means it is basically start with OL tag and end with /OL tag. That means ordered list is a container tag because of ordered list having the start tag also. That means beginning tag also and ending tag also. That's why ordered list or OL tag is basically a container tag. Clear? So example of ordered list. First, next topic is example of ordered list. I am giving this topic in your chat section. Kindly check it. I am giving this option in your chat section. Next one is example of ordered list. Clear? Next one is example of ordered list. Example of ordered list. What are the examples of ordered list and how to apply or how we can create a ordered list example? So first one is HTML. First of all, you have to create HTML. After creating this HTML, then you have to write head tag. After creating head tag, then you have to write title tag also. In title tag, suppose I am writing welcome, then close the title tag. Title tag is closed, then also head tag is closed. After closing this head tag, then you have to just open body tag. After opening body tag, then just I am writing OL. OL means ordered list. Ordered list, then first one is first li. First li is suppose Monday. Next li, next line number I am writing a new next line number. Suppose next one is, suppose first one is Monday. I am resizing this size. Next one, first one is Monday. Next li, suppose Tuesday. Next li, Wednesday. Next I am writing next li or line or list. Next one is Thursday. Next li is Friday. Next line is Saturday. Yes, li mean lines. Next li is Sunday. Here is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is the called OL. OL means ordered list. After opening this OL, then I am closing it OL tag, and I am closing it OL tag. After closing OL tag, then after closing this OL tag means ordered list. I am ordering this list with the help of 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday, and 7 Sunday. I am listing it. I am listing it basically with the help of ordered list. Clear? So OL tag is basically used for ordered list. Here is ordered list close. Then I am closing the next tag, that means the body tag. After closing this body tag, then I am closing the HTML tag. Clear? So after closing this type of HTML tag, then I just click on file tab, then save as option. After clicking this save as option, then location, I am sharing the location desktop. Then just write it down, ordered list dot html ordered list.html, then save as type is all files, then just click on save option, then just minimize it, and I am again sharing the output. What is its actual output? I am sharing the output with you, kindly check it. The output is that I am sharing the output now. What is its actual output? Kindly check it. I am sharing the output also. Clear? This is the output. Just wait for it. I am sharing it, the output. Now this is the output. I think output is visible to you. This is the output. The coding is there. The output is example of ordered list is, that means the days, that means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday are in which order? Are in a ordered list. That means 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday and 6 Saturday and 7 Sunday. So this is called ordered list. With the help of OL tag we can order a list of data or list of elements. Clear? So this is called ordered list. I am giving you the actual code in your chat section. Kindly check it. I am giving you the actual code in your chat section also. Kindly check it. And I am giving you the actual output. Clear? The output of this particular OL list. So how to replace 1, 2, 3 in bullets? If you want to replace it in bullet, then you have to follow the unordered list. Clear? I am showing you. So first one is ordered list, and I am sending the actual output of ordered list in your chat section. Kindly check it. This is the output. Clear? Example of what ordered list. Next I am again sharing with you the screen. Kindly check it. I am again sharing the screen. Kindly check it. Now I am again sharing a new screen with you. That means unordered list. So in ordered list we can easily organize the data in a sequential order. Clear? We can easily organize the data in a sequential order in ordered list. That means 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday and 7 Sunday. If you want to unorder this, then I am writing unordered list. Example of unordered list means just you have to write UL tag and you have to close UL tag. Clear? This is the unordered list. Example of unordered list means HTML, then head, then just write it down a title as your choice, then head is closed here, body is open, then UL means unordered list. With the help of unordered list we can organize the data in a bullet format. Clear? First of all, with the help of OL or ordered list we can organize the data in a number format, and with the help of unordered list we can organize the data in a bullet format. Clear? So now I am save this type of this code. Suppose first of all file to save as, then desktop. Suppose this is unordered list. I am writing down unordered list dot html, then save as type as all files, then just click on save option. Clear? What is its actual output? I am showing you the output again. Unordered list, I am sharing with you the output. Kindly check it if the output is visible to you or not. I am again sharing the output. Kindly check it, the output. I am again sharing with you the output. This is the output. Clear? So this is bullet form. So if you have to apply unordered list, then you can easily apply the bullet form. Clear? This is the bullet form. Unordered list, here is bullet. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Or if you want to add as your choice bullet, that means suppose I am changing the color. Suppose I am changing the color. Again I am sharing the notepad screen to you. Kindly check it. Again I am sharing the notepad screen to you. Kindly check it. This is the sharing screen to you. So now I am writing body BG color equals to suppose red. So the screen is in red color. Clear? You have to change the font color or background color. Just file, click on file, then save option. Then the output will be, I am sharing again with you the output. Kindly check it. I am sharing again with you the output. The output is that. Now next I am again sharing with you the actual output. The output is that this is the actual output. The body background will be in red color. Clear? If you want to add as your choice bullet, then just there is a type option is there. Clear? There is a type option is there, then you have to just click on type and change the bullet sign. Clear? Suppose I want to change the bullet sign, bullet type, then I am sharing with you next one. I am again sharing the notepad file, kindly check it. I am again sharing with you the notepad file. Clear? So this is the sharing screen. Suppose I am writing UL type, UL type, here is some type are there. UL type, suppose UL type equals to double quote square, SQUARE, square. Suppose I am again writing square, SQUARE, so UL type is square, so the bullet form is basically in square format. Okay, so just click on file tab, then save option, then I am again sharing with you the actual output of this particular screen. Now I am again sharing the output of this particular screen. Kindly check it, the output. Now the output is here is square format bulleting is there. Clear? So how to change this bullet type? I think it is clear to you. I think so. Clear everyone or not? Is it clear to you everyone or not? Ordered list and unordered list is clear to you? Okay, okay, that's good everyone, that's very good. Okay, so I am giving you in your chat section ordered list and unordered list. Clear? So I am again giving you the unordered list in your chat section, kindly check it. Clear? So today I will discuss only what is list. What is list actually? What is list means, list, basically list are the list help us to organize the data on the web page in an ordered and sequential manner. So with the help of list we can easily organize the data in a sequential or ordered manner. Clear? So what are the types of list? There are three types of list are there: ordered list, unordered list and definition list. So today I will only discuss only three topics: what is list, what are the types of list, what is well list or ordered list, what is unordered list, what are the example how to create a ordered list, or what is the proper example of ordered list, and what is the proper example of unordered list, and how to change the body color, and how to change the bullet sign shape and UL type. Clear? I think it is clear to you. In my next class I will discuss with you the definition list and how to create a table in HTML. Clear? In my next class I will discuss definition list in detail and how to create a table in HTML in detail. And I am please everyone write it down in your copy. These are the given to you in your chat section or chat box. Kindly check it and write it down in your copy. Clear? And in your e-portal, chapter number 4, chapter number 5 and chapter number 6 questions and answers are there. Kindly download it in your e-portal assignment section. Clear? There was one PDF there, please download it. Clear? Chapter number 4, chapter number 5 and chapter number 6 questions and answers are there. Please download it and write it down in your copy. In my next class I will discuss about the definition list and tables. The term 1 syllabus is that, basically term 1 syllabus is that chapter number 1, that means introduction to networking, chapter number 4 introduction to HTML, chapter number 5 creating web pages using HTML, chapter number 6 more on list in HTML. 1, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3 is not there. Clear? 1, 4, 5, 6, 4 chapters are there in your term 1 examination. 1, 4, 5, 6. Clear everyone? Okay, thank you for today. In my next class I will discuss about definition list and table. Clear? Till then, goodbye.